Did you know your iPhone is sharing your data to multiple companies every single day? Well, in this video, we're going to be talking about what are the data that your mobile phone is actively sharing to all these companies and how you can prevent it and what are actually necessary to share and so on. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of settings that are hidden in plain sight that you've never found. So simply head into your settings and scroll all the way down until you find apps and scroll all the way down until you find Safari. So once you go ahead and find Safari, tap on that. Now, first, we want to start with Siri. So first things first, simply tap on Siri and do not allow Siri and Apple Intelligence Learning because they will simply go ahead and share your data. So go ahead and turn this off. As you can see, the first setting is called Learn from this app. So Siri is always monitoring your website details of whichever website. Let's say, for example, you head into Best Buy's site or you are looking for example, lingerie, then Siri will go ahead and recommend those things to you in like an advertiser. Okay, so you can turn that off. If you scroll all the way down here, if you see here, there's going to be prevent cross-site tracking inside of privacy and security. This is what you want to turn on. What this does is cross-site tracking. So let me just go ahead and let you know what cross-site tracking is. So for example, if you're using something on Safari and if you open Amazon, so for example, you're looking for, let's say, a pool table. And now you open Amazon and the first thing you see is a pool table. Why? Because they are trying to sell it to you. Because they have data on you, right? So you can prevent that from happening by just turning this on. Now, another thing is hiding your IP address and click on from trackers because there are a lot of trackers that are hidden on multiple websites, which will go ahead and steal your IP. The other thing you want to turn on is fraudulent website warning. Whenever you're heading to a site that is not secure, it will give you a warning so you can just get out of it. Other thing you want to do is simply turn on not secure connection warning as well. Now, if we scroll all the way down and click on advanced, we're going to be into this page. So this is a very important step. Just look into it, okay? So first click on website data, and this is going to show you all the data of all the websites that you've visited recently. As you can see, if you see something that is not what you've done or something that is not right, you can just simply swipe right and click on delete. Why is all the data being saved on your phone? Well, in order to go ahead and make calculated decisions from multiple websites. So you can just remove all website data if you want to, just like that. You can also turn on block all cookies because that is a active tracker. Keep in mind, a couple of websites could not work because of you not allowing cookies, but that doesn't really matter. Now head back. And now you can also check for camera and microphone accesses. So as you can see, it says camera access on all websites. Make sure you have it on ask and not on allow because it will go ahead and ask you before permission right over here and even on your location. So that is about it. The final thing I'm going to let you know is open your Safari again and now scroll all the way down until you find clear history and website data. Make sure you do this couple of weeks at a time, okay? So every week you can do this once, which will keep you secure. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.